Yeah, you go to your MT4, you try to do your analysis. What do you look for?
Yeah.
First thing that you look for support and resistance, right? So
Okay. Yeah.
yeah, we'll use this rectangle here to draw support and resistance. Remember, price will always turn where it turned before, right? So we look at the levels where
Okay.
price turned. We look at the levels where price turned. Let's say, for an example, for you to see the overall of the market movement, you look at what? You look at the first of all, you look at the high of that resistance, right? And then the low of the support.
Okay.
If you look at this one, okay,
Oh.
you identify this as your lowest low, your low of this is your demand zone, right? And then why
Yes.
did
Yes.
price turn here going down? Why did price turn here going down? Number one, the name of this candle here, the red one, this one,
Okay.
the bearish one, this one is called engulfing candle, bearish engulfing candle, this one, right? every time
Okay. Okay.
every time
Okay.
you see this candle, you know that price will go down from there, right?
Okay. Okay.
And then look at this one here. What is the name of this candle? This one is bearish pin bar. Every time you see this candle, you know that price will push down, right?
Okay.
Are you with me? And then
Yes. Yes.
what is the meaning of this candle? It's the sell signal, right? Once you see this sell signal, it gives you like opportunity to enter the market with a sell, right? And then how do you identify it? I'm not sure if you'll understand. I'll try to be a little bit slow. How do you understand? How do you identify it? Okay, so that candle net, the
Yeah.
bearish engulfing should be bigger than previous three or more candlesticks. The body of that candlestick should be bigger than three or more previous candlesticks, right?
Okay. Okay.
As
Yeah.
you can
I
see,
get you
look
there.
at this body of this candle, look at this body, look at this body, and look at this body, and look at this body, and look at this body. It means this candlestick here, from here to there, is bigger than all these candlesticks here, which is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So it tells you that
Is it?
it's a very, very strong sell signal, this candlestick. So from here you press sell, you place your stop loss, let's
Okay.
say, yeah, you place your stop loss, let's say where? Let's say there, right?
Yeah. Yeah.
Most of the time, if you hear me saying, okay, this is an open, the TP is open, is because I know that this is a very, very strong sell signal. So it might go all the way down. So
Okay. Yeah.
this is H4. I'll go to lower time frame to try to get what? To get those entries again and again. To that entries, that breakout, the pullback, and the entry. You understand?
All right. No
Right?
problem.
Okay.
Yes.
So look at this low here, right?
Okay.
This
Yes.
is
Yes. I
this is
can
your
see it.
low. Let me just do this. I'm thinking you're not that beginner, so I'm not gonna. Okay, this is
Yeah.
your low,
Yeah.
right?
Yeah. Yeah.
This is your new low,
Yes.
right? Market was
Yes.
taken out here. Look, this was the breakout again, right?
Okay.
And
Yes.
then this
Yes.
was the
Yes.
retest. So you were gonna get another entryway here using what? Using Fibonacci.
Oh.
Yeah. So
Okay. Okay.
even if you can pull your Fibo from here to there, right? Once price
Oh.
touch 61.8, you press sell. Even before it's gonna give you this sell signal, candlestick. You see,
Okay.
yeah, it gives you this sell signal here, but we all already cashed what? Cashed a sell there using 51 between
Okay. Okay.
when price touch inside 50.0% and 61.8 is your time to sell or it's your time to buy.
To
Are you
sell.
with me? Yeah,
Okay.
it's your time to
All right.
sell or
Yeah.
it's
I
your
get
time to
you.
buy. So let's quickly do this. Okay, let's do this. Look at this. This has been on an uptrend since this. Okay, let me check. Let me just check. It's been on an uptrend all the way since here, right? It was
Sure.
on 3 January.
Yeah.
Right?
Yeah. Yeah. I remember.
Up,
Yes.
it's been going up. It's never went down. And then what do you know about trading? What's going up must come down, right? But you just
Yes.
you
Yes.
just
Yes.
have to
True.
know that in what you have to know the setups that now it's time for it to go down, right?
Oh, okay,
It
okay.
can't go up forever. Now it's time for it to go
Yeah, true.
down,
To go
right?
down, yes.
Yeah. So
Yeah.
so you can see that, okay, we got so many so this here is our strongest what? Our strongest support here, our strongest demand zone. So if price reach this level here, and then we are on what? We are looking for buys only, right?
Buys, yes,
Yeah,
yes,
we're
yes,
looking for
true.
buy only. Look at, let's check how long did price reach that level. Oh, remember, it even reached, okay, it even reached, see, it's 19 rand 30, right?
Yeah, yeah, yeah.
It even reached the
Yes. It's like
19,
almost,
yeah, it's almost
yeah,
20, right?
yeah, almost 20, yeah.
When last did you remember seeing ZAR on 1930, right? Have you,
I was, I was, I was,
I'm
yes.
sure I was still so young, or I'm not. I wasn't even born by that time, right? So that level from 19 rand, it was very strong. What?
True,
Strong
true.
supply zone. So when price reach this kind of level, these levels here, we only look for sell signals, right? So we got the sell signal here on H4,
Okay.
see, which is this one. So now we confirmed by this candlestick that we are going down. So now we look for what? We look for more sell signals, right?
For more sale, yes, yes, yes.
Yeah, we look for more sell signals. So if we jump to this one, because I like to use this one. So if we do this, let me check. Let me see if we can get that level when last that did ZAR reach that level on this one. Let me see when last did ZAR reach this level. I just want to get the date, but I don't think
Yeah. I
this
don't
one.
think you'll find it.
Yeah,
I
I don't
also
think this
tried
one
to
will
look
also
for it.
find it. Yeah. Okay. So okay, let's start here on our daily time, our weekly time frame, right?
Okay.
Let's start on our weekly time frame. What do you know about the breakout? After every breakout, price should go back and test that level.
And yes, yes, the retest,
Yeah,
yes.
it should go back and test that level. So let's say price break this level here. Do you see any retracement? No. The answer is no. So we're expecting price to do what? We're expecting price to do what? To come down
To come down
that
to
level,
that level. Okay.
right? We're expecting price to come to that
Okay.
level, right? So now it's
Yeah.
confirmed that price is coming back to this level on what? On H4, right? Because of
Okay.
that bearish engulfing, right? So
Okay. Okay.
we only want to take opportunities of what? Of selling this pair and keep
Of
selling
selling all the way.
yeah, all the way. Right?
Oh.
So because if we can check from here to there on MT4, let's check where price is right now to reach this level is close to 2,300 and something pips. Can you see that?
Yeah.
Right?
Yeah. Yeah. True.
So on
Yes. Yes.
H4,
Yes.
okay, on H4, let's go to H4. See, remember, man. Oh, come on, I'm not gonna answer this one. Okay, look at this level
Okay.
here. Look at this level.
Yeah.
Remember this level here. It's a weekly support, right?
Yeah. Yeah. Yeah.
So we might be looking for price to do what? To reach that weekly support. We agree on
Yes.
weekly,
True.
right? We agree on weekly. Go back to
Yes.
weekly.
Yes. Yes.
Go. You see, we agree on weekly. Go into H4.
Okay. Yeah. Yeah.
Yep.
Yeah.
Okay, so many people are calling me, but I'm busy. Okay, I'll call them later. Okay, let's go to H4
Okay.
just to get straight to the point, right?
Okay.
Okay, on H4, right? Thank you very much, my man. You identified this trend line here, which is very good. We don't remember,
Yeah.
we don't use indicators. What we do, we only use what? The trend line. The trend line is
Yes,
our
yes, yes.
weapon, is our indicator. So what do you know about the trend line? Once price break the trend line, it's no longer gonna go up. It's going all the way down, right?
Yeah, opposite.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay.
What I normally I noticed, like let's say like you see now the way we identify the trend. The trend is started at the bottom then, at that
Yeah.
price
Yeah.
1523.
Mm.
And then they broke it around here. It was I think 18 something, between 1850 and 18 rand. Okay, somewhere
Yeah.
there.
Mm.
What I know, where the trend has started, they have to come to that the beginning of the trend where it started to. So that's how I normally know. Okay, this guy say once they break, wherever my trend is started, I started it. They need to come to it.
Okay. Okay, look. I'm not sure if I understand, but let me try to explain this one. Okay. Another level that we have is this one here.
Okay.
One. Don't miss these
Yeah.
levels here. See, this one here is your level, and then you identify this one, which I agree with, is this one
Yeah.
here,
Yes.
right? Which I
Yeah.
agree with, this one, right? So we're
Okay.
anticipating that from there, price is either can turn here and go up, test
Okay.
there, right?
Okay.
Yeah. And then we'll sell it going from there. We'll sell it going down,
Okay.
right?
And they stop to the next support. Okay.
Then if you are selling it here, this one here will
Yeah.
be your first exit will be this one, your second exit will be this one because price stopped there. But overall, it should go and test
Oh.
because it should go and test this, right?
Oh yeah. 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 Yeah.
So if it should go and test that, we can even have a after every breakout, should price should go back and test. We can even have another pullback here,
Okay.
right?
Yeah. Yeah.
Inside 61.8 or something like that, somewhere there, right?
Okay.
Yeah. And then from there we can look for another cell there
Going down. Okay.
going down to that level. Or we can just say, okay,
Oh.
yeah, or we can just say, okay, from here it might push all the way down to this level. You see, if it push all the way down to that level, it takes us back to what? It takes us back to Elliott wave, right?
Okay.
Yeah.
Elite wave.
Remember,
Okay. Wave one. Wave two.
yeah, we have one here,
Yeah.
two,
Then they issue us two.
and then three is always there, the longest,
Yeah.
right?
Then
Or we can have
yeah.
three where
Then
we can have three here
in the middle. Okay.
in the middle, which is
Then
somewhere here at this order block. Then we have then we
okay.
have then we have four, and then we have five.
To retest on the support there,
Yeah.
on the
So
resistance. Oh yeah. 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 I
this will
get
be
it.
this will be your entry, your sell entry, right?
Okay.
Yeah. Most of the time, Joe, even this one, I get you have to know that okay, if price is 10 here and going back to test, it's not gonna respect this level here when it comes back up there. It's only gonna pass
Okay.
to stop on the nearest one, right? It's either
Oh
gonna stop
yes.
here
All right.
or if it doesn't respect this one again, it's gonna stop there, right?
Okay. Yeah. 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 Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So it went back to test and then we sell it again there to complete wave five, right?
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay.
Does it follow the rules? Yes, it followed the rules because what? Because wave three is always the longest, right?
The
And then
longest. Yes.
yeah,
Yes.
wave four, it doesn't have to touch wave 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 two there.
Wave two. Yes. Yes. Which is
See,
correct. Oh.
which is very correct. And then from here, we got our 1, 2, 3 strategy that will come in place here, there. Which level is gonna be? This one is gonna be our one. This one is gonna be our two. This one is somewhere there. We're gonna have our level three.
Wave
Even
three.
if
Okay.
even if
Level three.
yeah, even
Oh,
if level
actually
three,
three hit.
yeah, it's gonna be three hits before it complete level. This one, number five, right? So
Oh,
Yeah. So if we complete number 5, remember, man, remember, okay. Let me do this. Okay. If we complete number, remember, this is the weekly what? Weekly high,
weekly.
going up. And then it should come back and test this before it continue going up. So it seems like we don't, in future we don't have a strong ZAR. It means we are still gonna fall.
It's gonna. Yeah, yeah,
Yeah.
yeah.
Because look, once we complete this one, price should go back to that level all the way up there. But it's gonna do what? It's gonna do the ABC. My time is running
ABC.
out.
Yeah, yeah, yeah. 9
Uh,
minutes.
yeah, but it's fine, man. We can.
Yeah.
No, I don't know. I don't know. See, it's gonna do the ABC. Okay, let me just try to add the ABC quickly. See, it's gonna be the A, B, and then C, right? And then your ABC will change the structure. See, the breakout.
Oh,
I want the retest,
breakout.
and then
Okay.
we look for buy here. Another buy
Okay.
here.
Okay.
Our
Okay.
buy, our first buy will get it here. The second buy will get it there. So on and so forth.
Oh.
So if we if
Okay.
we are going
Now
if we are
I
going
get you.
if we are going in here with the buy, where are we gonna get out? We're gonna get out here.
On the support, the previous resistance that they hit.
Man, let me call you back. I'm still
Okay.
in a meeting. I'll call you back now. Okay, you see, so AB, I'm not labeling it as ABC,
Yeah.
I'm
Yeah.
only labeling it as A, B, and then C, D. No, it's A, B, and then C, D. Wait, man. A, B,
Okay.
C. A, B is equals to C, D. So this one is gonna be A, B, and then C.
Or AB equals to CD. Okay. Sharp.
Yeah,
Sharp. Sharp.
and then
Yeah. Yeah.
this one
Yeah.
is gonna be A, B, and then C, D. Right? So
Oh.
if you
Okay.
missed
Okay.
a buy
Okay.
entry here,
Yeah.
you'll buy it again here. You don't have to worry. You buy it again there.
As soon as they come to reset on the trend on the trend line, the
Yeah,
breakout.
on the trend line, and then we buy it again. See?
Oh.
Mm.
Okay.
So
Now
you know,
everything's starting to make sense now because I was a little bit blind over what's happening in the group. It's everybody later. Now I understand. Yes.
yeah, I get it, right? Every
Yeah.
time when I send setup on the group, I try to make it as simple as possible. I try to include everything so that you guys can understand what I saw and then what everything and so and so. Remember, even
Oh,
even on this ZAR, even if it pass here going down, if we are still fine, we are not on a sell. We're only looking for pullback, right? And then look
a
for sell.
pullback. Yes.
Yeah, we see. We don't worry about whether it's gonna turn here. It's only or 10.
Okay.
See, but look, man, you have to know this. Every retracement should retrace at least using what? Using a pattern. By what? It should retrace by using a pattern like consolidation. You see, this one
Oh,
here,
yeah,
this
yeah,
one
yeah.
here will add as what? Will add as a bearish flag. So it's gonna continue going.
Mm.
Hmm.
Oh, yeah, yeah, yeah. I
Another
can see. I
another
can
thing,
see.
another thing when I'm saying okay, this one is not gonna respect. It's gonna respect this one. It's because if it turn here and go back and test, right? This one will be your A,
Mm.
B, C, D, right?
Okay.
Yeah. So A,
Oh,
B is
yeah,
equal to
yeah,
C, D,
yeah, yeah,
right?
yeah.
And then from there we want the retest, and then for it to complete what? The Elliott wave, and then to go back and test what? The daily highs, the daily. Now it's not the weekly. Now it's no longer a resistance, right? It's a support. The
Oh,
weekly support.
okay.
From
Yeah,
there we
yeah,
look
yeah.
at for it to push. You see, it's very very simple. Another thing that I should add before time cutters, if it goes down to this level, right?
Yeah.
Yeah, and then go back. Okay, let me make it easy for you, man. Let me make it easy for you. Okay, let me just delete this. It's very interesting.
I know. I love what I see here now.
It's very
Yes.
very it's very very interesting. Okay, Let me try to make it easy for you. Let me delete. We got 10 minutes left, but yeah, it's fine. Let me delete this one. Okay, cool. Look, uh, let's say from then it goes this way. I want to ask you something. What do you see? If it goes this way, right, and then bounce there, and then go up and test using this consolidation. Can you try to explain to me, my man, quickly? What do you see there?
Okay. Firstly, okay, they stop at the second on this support, ne? Then they gave us a flag here. This
No,
is
no,
a flag.
just tell me the pattern that you see. Okay, the flag is number one, number two.
Uh Number two, I see head and shoulder.
You see head and shoulder. Thank you very much, my man. So you see, this is your flag, your bearish flag, right? And
Yeah,
then this one here will take it
yeah,
as a shoulder, and then this one here will take it as a
yes,
shoulder, and then this one is as a head.
yes,
So, and then here is the
yes,
change of structure, right? Once you break,
yeah,
this is the breakout. Once you break here, it's a change of structure. So, what else do you see?
yes.
Can you add? Can you add one last thing before we go?
Uh, um, oh shucks.
Okay, man. Look, it's A, B, C, and then D.
Oh yeah, AB is equals to CD.
This goes to C, D, right?
No, that one would trick me. Yeah.
Uh,
Yeah.
yeah.
Shucks. Okay.
This is very simple, my man. The only thing that you do should
Um,
just pay attention. You start from the beginning, from the higher time frame to see. Remember, here we are on weekly support here, right?
yeah, yeah,
On weekly
yeah.
support is also what? It's also a demand zone. So when price reach
Demand,
this level,
yes.
a lot of people will want to buy it going up. So we might still be going back to 19 rand 50 or even 20 on USDZar.
Yeah, maybe after, yeah, no, very soon.
Yeah.
I can see they're pushing these guys. They are really pushing.
We must still be going to let's say if we don't if this thing of COVID-19, if it doesn't solve us, if it doesn't give us any, doesn't do us any good, obviously we're going back to 1950 or 2022 and something.
Yeah, 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 which is true.
I'm
Yeah.
telling you, yeah.
Yeah. Yeah.
If United States do good and then we do bad, because it looks like they don't take us seriously, this president. So if they do that, my man, we are in deep shit.
Yeah.
We're going
Yeah,
back
no,
up to
I can.
21. And then another thing is that the technical analysis agrees with it. Right? This is what we did here is technical analysis agrees with what? With that,
Yeah, yeah.
and it might still go to 61, it might still go to 22 and something. Remember, if we go to weekly again,
Okay.
yeah, if we go to weekly again, let's go to weekly before we go again, right? This is the level here, right? This level here, and then combined with this trend line here. So we might be expecting price to pull back to.
Yeah. Yeah. Yeah, yeah. I see
Remember,
going there.
if it pushes up, it's not gonna respect this level. It's gonna pass this level like there is nothing there. So it might push all the way up to that level. Let's say that level can be, let's say 20 rand 92 rand, close to that,
Yeah, 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 yeah.
or even more.
Ish.
See,
Yeah, we are screwed.
yeah, we're in deep shit. So technically, it allows it agree with us with us, and then
Yeah, Hore, they are still going
whatever's
up. Yeah.
happening now, it agrees. Remember, the economy will fall, my man, if we don't open, if we don't work, if we don't do anything, people doesn't go to work, so it's gonna be bad for
Ish,
economy.
man.
The people don't drink
Yeah,
anymore. People don't buy beer anymore. It's too bad for
ish.
for our countrymen, man. Right?
Man, well, let's just hope everything goes well, bruh. Yo, this
Yeah,
is not
yeah,
good. I
yeah. I
know for
did.
trading, yeah, we know what's happening, but
Yeah.
like our currency is bad now.
So I did this analysis a
Okay.
long time ago on UsdZar, I think. Check.
You are left less than a minute. It will cut us anytime.
See, I did this analysis long time ago, and then it passed there, it turned there, and go. See, this is what I'm anticipating.
Damn.
This is what I'm anticipating
Oh, okay.
on
Yeah, yeah.
that's what I'm anticipating there. See, that is might go all the
So,
way,
and
all the way up.
the
Man, we got one